And okay, so let's write the equation of the line through the given point in parallel. Parallel, there's that word there, parallel to the given line. So the slope here is 5, so my parallel slope will also be 5, right? Parallel lines increase at the exact same rate. So I got y equals mx plus b. So I know that this is my x, this is my y, so 4 equals 5 times negative 3 plus b. So 4 equals negative 15 plus b. So b equals 19. So my equation will be y equals 5x plus 19. Remember, we're doing all this work to solve for b, so I don't want to include the negative 2 at all. Okay? If I look at here, this line 3x plus y equals 4, I recognize that it's not in y equals mx plus b form, so I got to subtract the 3x to the other side to get y equals negative 3x plus 4. Now I can see that my parallel slope is actually negative 3. And I'm going to do the same work where this is x, this is y, and solve for b. Negative 3 times 8 plus b. So I got negative 5. Negative 3 times 8 is negative 24 plus b. Add the 24 to the other side. b again equals 19. That's just a coincidence. So it's y equals negative 3x plus 19 again. Alright, let's keep going. Perpendicular. Perpendicular might be a little bit tougher for us. Remember, that's opposite reciprocal, meaning we flip the fraction and change the sign. So remember, this is negative 2, which I can think about as being negative 2 over 1. So my perpendicular slope would just be positive 1/2. So again, I'm going to bring back this equation, y equals mx plus b, and follow the same process. X, y, negative 2, and then x was 4. 1/2 is m, and I'm trying to find my b value. Negative 2 equals 2 plus b. Subtract 2, negative 4 equals b. Write my equation, y equals 1/2 x minus 4. Or you could have said plus negative 4 if you want to. Alright, here we go. Next one. Again, it's not in y equals mx plus b form, so I want to move that 2 over 3 at the 2/3 x to the other side. So how do I do that? I add it. So I get y equals 2/3 x plus 11. So my perpendicular slope, I flip it and change the sign, so it's negative 3 over 2. And then I do my work x, y. 10, and then equals, and then negative 6. What's my m? Negative 3 over 2, and then plus b. So 10 equals negative 3 over 2, or negative 1.5 times negative 6 ends up being 9 plus b. So b equals 1. So my equation is y equals negative 3 over 2x plus 1. Boom. Running out of time here. Okay. It says lines A and B are cut by a transversal, and 1 and 2 are alternate exterior angles. If they're alternate exterior angles, that means they are congruent. So one of them is x squared, the other one is negative 12 plus 8. So that means if they're congruent, I set those two equal. And then I bring everything to the same side as x squared. So that becomes x squared minus 8x plus 12 equals 0. So factors of 12 that'll add to negative 8. Well, I get x minus 6, x minus 2. So x equals 6 and x equals 2. And which one works? They both work. Okay, they both should work. I plug in 2 here, negative 12 plus 16, that's going to be a positive. All right, let's keep going. 3 and 4 are consecutive interior. If they're consecutive interior, that means they're supplementary. So angle 3 is 5 more than 4 times angle 4. So 4 times this unknown angle x plus 5. That's one of the angles. The other angles I just want to call x, remember? So I have 4x plus 5 plus x equals 180. Or 5, oops. Oh man. Was it plus x equals 180? So 5x plus 5 equals 180. So then 5x equals 175. So then x equals, well, that's what? 3, remainder 2. 35. And that's it. That is the review. All right. Let me know if you have any other questions. Remember with these two, I set them equal to 180 because they're supplementary. Add them together.